Welcome to Torreblanca, and today we've got an amazing house to show you. It's a townhouse. It's got 5 to 6 bedrooms, which is really unusual. I've just come from here, which is the front door. Come down, it's got several levels to it, obviously with that many bedrooms. So this is the first level, where you've got the kitchen, the living area, the dining area, and a terrace. Okay, so let's have a little look around the kitchen. Now this has only been just over a year old, so it's brand new, but looks really, really good, really nicely done. And you've got gorgeous views out here of the mountains, and you'll see there are sea views from this house too. So from the dining room, let's just nip out here. Now it's a little bit of a moody day here on the coast, so bear with us. The sun is not shining today, which is a little bit annoying, but never mind. So this is your terrace. Here, look at the views. You can see Mijas Pueblo, and just around the corner there is the sea, but you will see that from the roof terrace. You've got a wonderful dining and barbecue area here, and another patio up on top. So literally in this house, somewhere at some point you will get the sun during the day. So let's just head. Okay, so going downstairs, let's have a look what else we've got. So now this is a gorgeous mezzanine level. So it's been made into an office, as you can see, and this takes you down to a lovely, it's almost like an independent apartment downstairs here. Let's go and show you. So down the steps we've got a huge living space, which could be your main living space if you wanted a bigger area. You can see how gorgeous that mezzanine level has been done. At the moment it's like a TV room. Gorgeous beams here. Isn't it a huge space? So here you've got a bedroom off this level. A really good sized bedroom with an ensuite. So if you do have guests come, you could potentially use that as a living space for guests. And again, all nice and modern. Okay, that's a really good size. And this looks out onto the ground terrace. Now all along here, this grassy area here is communal area, and that leads down to a pool just at the end, which is a communal pool. But actually you've got space here to be able to install your own pool if you wanted to. So here we've got the terrace. I'll show you in a bit more detail. And just at the end of that green area there is where you've got the pool. Hopefully I might be able to show you that from the roof terrace. Great space, loads and loads of outdoor living space. Right, I'm going to take you upstairs now to the upper levels. Okay, so this is the front door. So as you come in through the front door, you've got here another bedroom. So we've seen, how many bedrooms have we seen? We've seen one so far. So this is bedroom number 2. Huge space and great amount of storage. Now this used to be a garage. So there's a small area just behind here that's now storage. But if you wanted to lose a bedroom, you can knock this wall through and create this into a garage space. Okay, so going upstairs, let's go and find the other bedrooms. So this is the master suite. We've got a bathroom, ensuite bathroom with a shower, loads of floor to ceiling wardrobe storage space, super king size bed, and then there's a massive terrace here, another one that actually, so the door to this one and the other bedroom that I'll show you goes out onto this terrace. And look at these views of the mountains. It's just gorgeous. This is all rustic land, so this will never be built on. And you've got the sea over here. Just be able to show you here, there you go, you can see the pool from here. So there's the pool, and all this grassy area here is all communal space. And then this here is your terrace. Okay? Let's see whether the door's open here. Yes, it is. So this is the other, again, it's actually, this could be quite a nice little private space here if you wanted it. but this is set up as a single bedroom. It could easily fit a double bedroom as well. Massive amount of storage again. Excellent. So that is bedroom number 4. Here is the main bathroom that will service the bedroom we're about to see, and also the one just here. So we've got 2 bedrooms on this level, and then the other 2 that we saw earlier, and this is bedroom number 5. Another double bedroom, lots and lots of space, sea views from here, and this has got their storage here, but plenty of room to put in wardrobes if you wanted to. Okay, bedroom number 5. Now don't forget, this could actually have bedroom number 6 if you wanted to convert the mezzanine level into a bedroom, but 5 really, really good sized bedrooms. So up here, we have the roof terrace. Look at this. You've got sea views from up here, and lots of potential because it's such a great space. Stunning, isn't it? Obviously with the blue sky it'll be a little bit more stunning, but a great space for entertaining. Massive terrace.